Hey guys, it's Ro. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Sam.
Hi guys.
You guys know Sam. We've baked together. We've made videos together. I'm going to be putting his link down below to his YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed, please go show him some love. He's super talented. If we go to your channel, what are we gonna see?
I have a new album out, which you can check out. Lots of music videos, fun stuff.
He's super talented, can play instruments, produces music, and has the voice of an angel. I kid you not, I love your voice.
You are too sweet, Ro. You're being too nice to me.
Incredible, and that's why you're the perfect guest for today.
How so?
Because I got so many requests to hatch some Hatchimals. I've never done this before, but I thought maybe you could like sing to them.
Oh, I bet they like that.
So our goal today, Sam, is to hatch all of our Hatchimals.
All four?
I've never even done one, so this is a pretty big goal just to do all four.
I know, it's a lot of pressure.
And each one of these is a different type of Hatchimal. Like this one over here has a little horn, and this one is called an owl corn. So it's like an owl and a unicorn.
I love it. This guy is a little birdle. He has little like antennas. I like him.
Oh, and this one is a parakeet.
Oh,
So
it's like furry.
a bear and a parakeet.
I love it.
Oh,
And this guy is a penguala, which is like penguin and koala. Is that what that is?
I love the little mohawk. Sam, I
Got
hope
that
we
little-
get the pink one with the green.
Yeah.
Oh,
This one's cute too, though.
What if they hear us? And he just heard me say that,
No,
and it's
but
the other one.
I don't care what
Then he's
color
not
you
gonna hatch
are.
For me. Are you ready?
I am so ready.
Let's open all of them.
Okay.
That's step one. This is huge egg. You think this is how big an ostrich egg is?
Oh, yeah. But I bet when those little baby ostriches come out, they're not as cute
Oh,
as
it's a
these.
fake egg.
Oh,
This is not the real egg, Sam. It's inside.
oh, I've been talking to this little guy like he was in here. Okay, now we have to start all over again.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Is this the manual?
Being a parent is complicated. There's
Okay.
a lot to learn.
This is our parenting book.
Yeah.
Let's read the instructions. You guys, look at this, this is color coded. If it's pink, it means cuddly. You need to hold the bottom of the egg and pet the head.
Okay.
If it's red, it's annoyed. Then you have to pat the bottom of the egg, like boop, 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 boop. Purple, green, flashing red, flashing blue, flashing orange, flashing yellow.
I thought this was gonna be like we hatch it and then it's like happy and done, but
I
no.
thought we were gonna like pat it.
I think that's just the
and
beginning.
It would just crack up. Oh my.
Ooh.
That's a really cute one.
I know, I'm being so delicate. Sorry, it's okay.
Come out of there. See?
Oh.
Oh, yep.
Wait, how'd you do it? What did you just do?
Hello. It's already starting. Oh my gosh,
It's already-
Sam,
okay, we
get
have to do
yours
them all.
going,
Okay,
get
how
yours
did you
going.
do that?
Oh
my
okay,
God.
Okay. Oh no.
I don't know if I can handle four of these
there,
at once.
there.
Okay, oh,
There
I
you
see,
go.
I see.
It's
Oh,
doing
and you can see it's
it. You can see it. Look, there's a little light in the front.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
I just have to.
This is hard.
Your sibling needs some. Your sibling needs me to open it. 1 second.
This is difficult to have twins. I mean, you really got your hands full. This is
One-
no joke.
Okay, I feel very paternal right
Me
now.
too.
Like
Look at this. Yours are very talkative.
they are like
They're having so much
having
fun.
a party already in the egg.
What are you doing that I'm not doing?
I don't
What
know.
are you doing that I'm not doing? Why isn't it working? My babies went silent. Maybe they want to be held like this.
Oh, I think they like that.
Yours.
Oh, is
That's
that mine?
yours. Okay, Sam, this is where it comes in handy. Please sing to my eggs. They're
Okay.
not working.
Rockabye Hatchimals in Ro's hands. When I sing a song, you'll sing back to me. They like that. Oh, they love your voice.
They're talking.
See, that's what it took.
Okay, we just gotta talk to them. And
We know
sing
the
to
trick.
them.
It's music.
Oh, I moved more. They like that.
Okay.
Wee.
Yeah, do a little-
Wee.
Little dance.
What if they? Do you think they like that?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh, he's purring.
All right.
Oh, sorry. You know, maybe they would like coffee.
Just pour it over the egg.
Just like get a
Wake
cup
'em
of
up.
coffee. They can like smell it. Do you like coffee? Did you just hear that? Baby girl said yes. Oh, she's just like me. Oh, we're gonna have fun, girl. Oh, we're gonna have fun. Or boy.
Or
We don't
boy.
know. We don't know. We don't know.
Oh, was that a cough? Already?
Uh-oh, what does it
What do I
mean?
do, pat
when
the
they're-
bottom?
When they're coughing, what does that mean?
We've just learned that apparently the colors do actually,
Mean-
you've already started parenting.
I
This
thought
one
it-
is light blue.
Okay.
It's cold.
It's cold.
So I'm gonna rub the egg.
Rub head or squeeze belly.
But what is this one?
This one's red, so he's annoyed.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, this
Oh,
is
God.
this is not my favorite one.
Already know which one's
Yeah,
the problem,
yeah. Oh,
child.
yeah.
I think this is yellow, which is
What
autonomous.
does that mean?
meaning, I think autonomous, it means
Sing.
it's just chilling. Hey there, little Hatchimal. You're feeling autonomous.
I was sticking in my armpit. My armpit's really hot.
Yeah, there you go. That's some
armpit's
like
really hot.
mama bird.
Right?
You gotta
Does
like,
this look like
yeah,
mom?
totally. Wait. Something just happened. Oh my God.
Are you cracking?
This one,
Are you-
this one is like
Sam,
doing
Sam,
something.
Sam, is it happening? Oh my God. It's coming on that side. Oh my God.
Wait, it's actually gonna break the
Oh
egg?
my gosh, you have to show them.
I'm sorry.
It's coming through.
I'm still your parent. I'm still your parent, but something exciting is happening. That is really cool.
Oh my gosh, it's doing it.
I still care about you too.
Here, you want me to hold him? Here,
Yeah.
I got
Okay.
it. I got it.
Why did he stop?
Sam, what happened?
I don't know.
What happened?
Why have they all gone silent? Come
Here,
on.
let's get him going again.
Yeah.
We gotta sing to him.
Oh, man.
We gotta jiggle him. What if we like rub him like? Come on. Sam.
Okay, you're playing a song. Oh wait, yours started hatching.
Sam.
Look at that.
This one did not start hatching.
Did you
I
break it?
cracked the egg. I think I've damaged baby Hatchimal.
No. You just gave this Hatchimal a head start. You were like, this is how you do it. You
Oh my gosh, he's turning like 10 colors.
Wait, is this one? No.
Uh-oh.
Okay, they're both gone.
Oh.
See that little,
Just a nudge. I just helped it. Just helped
It
the
helped it
process
start, yeah.
along. You guys, look at the cracks. Look at the cracks.
Ooh.
Oh, it's happening.
Wow, I expected the,
Uh-oh, we're flashing a color now.
oh my God.
Uh-oh.
I sort of expected this to be like an instantaneous, isn't it like,
Is this like spite hatching? She's like, you drop me, I'm gonna come out there and peck out your eyes.
yeah, what does it mean when they're cycling through the colors? Because then I
Look
go,
at, look at, look at, look at, look at.
is that his beak? Oh. This is very exciting.
The first beat.
Okay, I get it. I get the Hatchimals thing. This is
They're so cute.
a magical moment unlike anything I've ever experienced
I
before.
want to see your face. I want to see your face.
Let's see your eyes.
Let me see it. We've got no response over here.
Okay.
I'm really nervous about this one. There's no colors showing through to indicate any emotion at all. This egg has
Which
no
guy,
emotion.
see, he's
He's
the
not
little,
doing
like-
anything. I'm really worried. Oh, I'm really worried. Maybe he's
Set
cold.
into-
Maybe I'll just like sit on him, you know?
Yeah.
Mom birds sit on him. So I'm just gonna sit on him really quick. So
Make a little nest, a little incubation period.
Don't worry, guys. I'm not putting my weight down, so I'm not crushing this egg.
Just providing a hospitable
just
environment.
like warming the egg up. Did you say
Yeah. I think that literally worked.
something? You like that? Really? That's pretty weird. Yes, say hi to your friend.
We're close. We're close on you.
Use that beak. Use that beak.
Use that beak.
You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Maybe they'll like to spin. Let's give it a spin.
Oh yeah, maybe that'll help.
Blue? Dark blue?
Dark blue. Scared?
It says make a loud sound. Why would you make a loud sound if they're scared?
It just like flashed.
Sam!
Beak, and we have beak.
This is my first beak. I'm so excited. It's the pink owl corn with the teal beak.
Was that the one you were hoping for?
This is my girl. I knew it. I knew it. As soon as I was like, you want some coffee? And she was like, yeah. I was like, oh.
Kindred.
Yes. I love you both. You're both so cute. I love you both. You can both come to Disneyland. Come on. Here. Yours are going.
They're going. They're going. Ooh.
You can do it. You can do it. You can
Ooh.
do it. Hi.
Look. Oh, I like. Oh, its little beak like actually comes out. I think. Are you done? Are you done? Can I?
Yeah, I think you can just lift.
He just fall out of his head.
What was that? Is that like the umbilical cord, but it's on his head?
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. He's still pecking. He's not done.
He's not ready.
Okay, I'll give you a second to just
Okay. Uh-oh.
take your time.
It's not ready yet. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is like a workout. Whoa!
That just launched some egg across the room.
Okay, Sam, I'm gonna try to give it a yank.
Try to give it a yank.
Okay, you hold this one. Try to get this one moving.
Okay.
I'm gonna jiggle this one. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Try to give my Hatchimal a yank.
All right, you ready? Yes.
Yes.
We're ready.
There you go.
Dear Sam, congratulations, a little baby Hatchimal.
It's the happiest day of my life.
Sam,
Oh,
now learning how to talk, walk, dance, sing.
Oh
Look at your little, look at your little unicorn.
man. The horn. That is cute.
It's owl corn. This is my girl. Hey, girl.
Oh, and here's your little mohawk. Here's your little
Oh my
mohawk
God,
for
I
you.
love mohawks.
I their eyes keep changing colors. I don't know what they need. Being a parent is so hard.
This is me trying to do any, like,
There we go.
can you imagine me trying to put together a stroller? I'd be like, all right, there you have it. All of our Hatchimals hatched, except for this one. This is our stubborn one.
I believe he's close.
Like
He's
a late
close.
bloomer. But these apparently, I did not know that once they hatch, apparently they talk.
That's just the hatching is just the beginning.
Sing, they learn how to sing, they move,
They walk.
They walk around. So I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on with these little guys.
Do they have should we name them? Each one?
This one is baby girl. Wait, but my dog's Cookie, I call her baby girl. They're gonna get confused.
You don't want Cookie to get jealous of your Hatchimal.
They're gonna get jealous.
No.
What would you name yours?
Mine, this guy is Squiggly.
I like that.
And this little baby penguino is Spike.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. A big thank you to Sam for helping me
Thank you for having
all
me.
of these Hatchimals.
My channel is now all just gonna be Hatchimals. Just raising them, vlogs. I have a new purpose in life.
Again, I'm gonna be putting all of his links down below, so go check them out, and I'll keep you updated on social media about these little guys. All right, thanks again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave bye. And if you'd like to watch any other fun videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wants to watch.
Oh, yeah. You're excited.